Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to the Learn Tajweed Step by Step series. In this video, inshallah, we will start speaking about Nun Sakin and Tanween rules. How to produce the sound of Nun? It depends on the letter after it, as we have 4 rules to producing this sound. We will study each one of these rules and we will know its letters, and also we will read examples to practice more and know how to produce the sound correctly. Let's start. The first rule we have Izhar. Izhar is an Arabic word that means to be clear or to produce clear sound. When should we make this rule, or when should we pronounce the letter or the sound of the noon with a clear sound? It occurs with text letters. These are the letter that comes from the throat. That's why we can call this rule إظهار حلقي, because now we will see the letters of إظهار, all of them produced from al-halq. We have Hamza and Ha produced from the deep, Ain and Ha produced from the middle, Ghain and Kha produced from the top, as we said before in Makharij lesson. So the إظهار letters are 6 letters: Hamza, Ha, Ain, Ha, Ghain, Kha. And we said Izhar means to be clear. So Izhar rule, if you have Nun Sakin or Tanween is followed by one of Izhar letters, the 6 letters that comes from al-halq, we have to pronounce it with a clear sound. It here refers to the Nun Sakin or the Tanween, which is the sound of the Nun. As you see here, the Tanween, we write it as 2 fathas or 2 kasras or 2 dammas, but in the pronouncing, it is the same as the Nun Sakin. So again, if you have Nun Sakin or Tanween followed by any one of Izhar letters, you have to produce the Nun with a clear sound. For example, Min Adha, I pronounced the Nun with a clear sound. I didn't turn it into another letter. I didn't hide it. I just read it as a normal letter with a clear sound. Another example on Tanween, Udhran, clear sound as any normal letter. This is the first rule of Nun Sakin and Tanween. Let's see the second one, which is Iqlab. Iqlab, also it's an Arabic word. In English, it means to turn over. And instead of noon, I will turn it over to produce the sound of another letter. And this occurs only with one letter, which is letter ba. Iqlab occurs only with ba. If noon sakin or tanween is followed by ba, we have to convert it into hidden meme. So we will produce sound of meme instead of the sound of noon. How to make this? We will make a small separate between our lips. And also we will make ghunna. Ghunna, which is the sound that we produce from our nose. So again, if you see noon, sakin or tanween followed by ba, you will not pronounce the noon, you will produce sound of meme and make ghunna. For example, noon sakin followed by ba. If I said min ba'd, I made izhar and this is wrong. I must make iqlab because noon followed by ba, so I have to produce the sound of meme and make ghunna. Mim ba'd. I said mim, not min. Mim ba'd. Another example, lanasfa'an bin nasiyah. What did I do? I produced sound of meme and made ghunna. Why? Because here I have the tanween after it ba. That's all for today. We will stop here. We studied 2 rules and we still have 2. We will study them in the next video, inshallah. If you get benefits from this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay tuned. Assalamu alaikum.